Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, surface area volume. It is one of the simple and interesting chapter in class 9. The first one, we just finding the surface area of a cube and cuboid. So we already familiar in a grade 8 up to the 2 dimension. So like a A4 sheet or any papers, it's a 2 dimension only based on the length and breadth. Now the new class introducing the height. For example, we're watching a movie in a normal LED TV, so or any in a mobile screen, so it's a 2 dimension. But in some movies like Avatar and Aladdin, so it's a 3 dimension 3D movie. So that means the object is like closer to our eyes. So it's another dimension is introducing the same concept. First, we discuss about the cuboid. So in a grade 8, we familiar for 2 dimensions say. For example, it's a rectangle. So its length is L and like so this is height I'm mentioning. Okay, but in a 3 dimension means just take another concept. So just drawing. That's it. In the front, so everything had the length L and the height of the cuboid. So it's H only. So all sides have H. And the third one is the breadth. So it's represented in terms of B. It's very simple. So in normally A4 sheet like this, just I arranging 100 to 200 sheets in a similar manner, so it's have some height. So just arranging hundreds of sheet in a particular manner, so make particular height. So it's a 3 dimension. Then the dimensions like just cutting. This one is x axis, so that means the length, and this one is y axis, the height. So normally we are watching movie, so it's like this only. So x axis and y axis the area. Then the 3 dimension, that means the axis is set will introducing. So 3D movie means certain a ball is look like our eyes, so it's closing to our eyes, so it's a 3 dimension. So this will be a breadth for this concept, the diagram. So L means length, B breadth, and H height. So we already familiar for finding the area of rectangle. So just consider this is a rectangle means, so the area is length is multiplied by breadth. So area L into B. The same concept also using for this. The first we consider the top and bottom. We just finding the area of top and bottom. Just finding this one. So top and bottom. So area of top L is multiplied by B. So the bottom same L is multiplied by B. Then move for left and right side. Area of left and right. So left means B and H based. So BH. The right also the same. So right also same value. So BH. Then front and back. So it's a back and this one is front. Front and back side. So the front is based on the L and H. L into H. The back side the same. L into H. Now we just finding the total surface area of this cuboid. So just adding the all sides. So just finding area of front plus back plus top and bottom, then left and right. So the front and back side is this one, LH plus LH, then top and bottom. So just consider this L into B, LB plus LB, then left and right. So from this BH, BH plus BH. Now consider it's all repeating in 2 times. So just adding and combining. So 2 times of LH plus 2 times of LB plus 2 times of BH. So the common term is 2 is common. So just take it away. 2 LH plus LB plus BH. So this is a total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. So it's similar to the cube. The difference between cube and cuboid, if a cube means all sides are equal. So just replacing L, B, H in terms of the common value. Area of cube, it's very simple and similar to this one. So now consider L equal to B equal to H equal to the common term I fixing A. Maybe you choose any values, no problem. So every side have the A only. Okay, so just replacing the concept. In the TSA of cuboid is two times of the previous one, L into H plus L into B plus B into H. If a cube means all are equal, that means L, B, H is also A. So just replacing. So 2 times of A into A square, plus here also the same, A square plus A square. Now 2 times of 3 into A square. Then the final value is 6A square. So TSA of cube is 6A square. In exercise 13.1, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be open at top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required to making a box and the cost of the sheet for it if the sheet measuring in 1 meter squared cost is 20 rupees. So the given term, the long length equal to 1.5 meter and the wide, so breadth is equal to 1.25 meter and the deep means its height, so height is equal to 65 centimeter. So in the substitution the value all are must be in the same unit, so we need to convert length and breadth in a centimeter, or we just converting the centimeter in the height into meter. So it will be very simple. So 0.65 meter. Now so diagram for our reference only. So length, breadth and height, the values 1.5 meter, then 1.25 meter, then 0.65 meter. And the important point, the top is opened. So no need to calculating this value. So normally we find the general formula, the total surface area is 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. And we need to remove the top. So the formula of this one, box area equal to TSA minus the top. So 2 times of L into B plus B into H plus H into L minus of the top means based on L and B. L, B. So 2 times of LB, that means 1.5 is multiplied by 1.25 plus BH. 1.25 is multiplied by 0.65 plus HL. Zero 0.65 multiplied by 1.5 minus of L into B. So 1.5 is multiplied by 1.25. Then after simplifying and adding, we getting 2 times of this value is 1.875 plus 0.8125 plus 0.975 minus of this one 1.875. So 2 into, after adding this one, 3.6625 minus of this one 1.875. Then 7.325 minus of 1.875, we getting 5.45 on the unit. So we always fixing the unit is meter. So for this question, so the value is meter square. So this is the area of box. On the second point, we need to find the total cost of this is. So it's very simple, just finding the total area is multiplied by the cost per meter square. So total cost area, that means a box area, is multiplied by 20 rupees, because each one have a 1 meter square have 20 rupees. So box area is 5.45 is multiplied by 20. Then finally we getting rupees 109 for making the box. Thank you.